Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to move table from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. So in this case, I'm going to move this table to Word. So what you need to do next, what you need to do first is copy the table that you want to move. So here block all the data and then right click and click on copy, and next go to the Word apps, and then here right click again, and under the paste option choose the use date destination styles. So click on that, and just like that the table will be moved or copied with the same format as in the Excel. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.